What's good with y'all? We back again with another video. As y'all see, we is out in Raleigh today, you feel me, or tonight actually. It's gonna be a little night ride. We're gonna try to stay in like the main town areas, because on the GoPro the like quality when it's dark it's not really all that. So we finna try to stay in the light areas. I got an hour and so worth of filming to do, so, or what's it called, SD card footage. So yeah, we finna get it done. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. The quote for today is to love yourself. If you love yourself, you're unstoppable. But yeah, y'all stay safe. I'm finna be swerving. GPS signal lost. That is uphill killer. Right? You already know I do. Ooh. I hear you. Oh, no, too fast. Yeah.
Brakes seem like I need new brake pads.
I could tell.
I did see my foot in the back, but I ain't got my shirt in the back.
Oh, I hear you.
Unless I get into like a really shitty situation.
Take this left. Yep. No, my phone.
You didn't see that?
Nah, you ain't see nothing.
CGI. I'll take it in. Oh shit.
Wait. Alright. Nope. I felt my phone slipping again. Swerving. I think she flipped me off. Yeah.
Oh, you said the Fat Ripper. The 60-bike Fat Ripper?
The 26.
I think so. It was either 26 or 29.
Can you combo like on that stuff?
I've been learning. I haven't gotten there yet. I've been learning though. Safety system and all that. Hell yeah.
That's nice.
That joint was nice, bro.
Yeah, I got arrested like 2 times on it, so.
Ah.
Yeah.
Your parents said, you know what, sell that joint.
I still have one.
Wait, can I feel the brake? Get the brakes good?
I forgot that bump was there. Give me a minute.
Can you hand check?
I don't think so.
Nope.
You should try to one.
Yeah, I can win. Give me a minute. I'll swear for you. I appreciate it. I'm still learning, you know. Ain't exactly pro yet. I'm gonna get there one day.
You got that. Is that a hard drop?
No, V brake.
Can I try?
Start one off with it, cause I'll hunt you down, boy. I'm fast now.
Yeah, I'm not.
All
I don't even know if I can pop it. Just wheeling in like lower gears.
I hear you got geared by. Oh hell yeah, hell yeah.
Is this all custom, like the paint and stuff?
Yeah, it's custom from SC Bikes. I ain't do it, but they did. So
That's clean.
hell yeah, I appreciate it.
He gotta look like Will for a second, I ain't gonna lie.
I hear you. Especially a younger one. Hell yeah. A little bit more seat, Tom. You get it.
Yo, let me try it one time.
You got it. Nice Mustang, bro. That don't sound good. Nice dark blue. Okay.
Jesus, bro. But here you go. You don't ride it because I like.
Okay. Low key.
Everything's Chinese nowadays, so.
For real. Alright, y'all. It was good meeting y'all. What's your name? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, you good. Hopefully, we'll see y'all again.
Y'all see you around. I
Yes,
live
sir.
down here, and I always ride around, so I'm like,
Alright, for sure. Y'all stay safe now.
I was kind of scared over the road. I'm like, I just know.
No, for real. I'm like, don't you run off with it now.
I'm not chasing him, but you can take the bike and tap.
I hear you.
Get that stand.
Fucking tackling them off the bike. I recorded all of that too, just in case. I'm like, yeah, if these join,
I'll put my bike.
real shit. Oh, I forgot you had no brakes. Nah, that's the motherfuckers that told me the last time, bro. Hey, bro, I'm finna throw some bricks at they shit like ice. Fuck you! Oh yeah, it was this one over here.
The only thing I remember is that clean.
Yeah, for real. Appreciate it.
I'm retired.
Yeah, because we did come through the slow John.
Oh, you got $1,000? No compensation fees?
I got you though. Turn left.
Yeah, one parker ride.
No, that's sketch. Turn left, I got you, bro. Turn it back around.
Oh shit, there you go.
Okay.
If you have brakes, you can
Got try it. I always wanted to try big one.
I hear you.
It's like the what is this, like Fifth Song?
Hey, they famous out here. Okay, Zach.
That's how I
I hear you.
learned. Oh, these bitches is heavier.
No, I swear too. They some hell yeah. I went from a BMX bike to that.
You used to walking on that little 20.
Yeah, yeah.
Appreciate you though, Tom.
Hell yeah, what's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle, nice to meet you. I'm Regan, bro.
Yeah, you-
Hey, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube, man. See, I'm recording right now, you feel me?
Uh-huh.
Risky, risky, risky. I'm taking the elevator, by the way.
I hear you. Let's hope there's not a puddle of piss.
That's how you're supposed to like it.
Oh, look at him go.
Get that turn like this.
Ooh. Yeah, I was like, where is the elevator? No, real shit. Couple W kids. Pause.
I try to kidnap my kids.
Yeah, you too. We ain't on that, you feel me?
Not yet.
Hey, watch the Mustang. Crowd killer. Yep, 1000R. Nah, this joint been sitting too. Look at the pollen. Watch it be stolen. Bro, that shit would be so nice right now. S1K, we'd be mobbing. Oh, my hip.
I would never leave my bike there.
Hell no. No security cameras, no nothing?
When down there, it is downstairs.
Oh, yeah, true.
Well, honestly, you just throw that up. It's on.
That's true. And just sell the parts of what you get. Oh, watch it, watch it. Yeah, me too. I'm glad I told you so.
Nah, I shouldn't be calling that.
Yeah, it's literally like the baby of the R8, yeah. Cause it has the same styling in almost pretty much everything.
It's just like super fun.
Hell yeah. That shit's nice though. Nice little black on her.
Oh, it's the same on the blue Harley, so that's not too.
What now? Oh, hell yeah. That bitch been sitting for a while.
It's a shame.
Real shit.
I'll be like Mr. Bean on that thing.
I stopped because I thought this was a track off.
Is it a track off?
I have no idea. It's D-badge. It's a SRT. Yeah, it's a Grand Cherokee SRT. It has a V8 in it.
But it ain't no track off, dude.
That's true. Oh, we on that New York City shit. You know, we just came down from the skyscrapers and all that, you heard. Oh, shit.
Picking up on the dome, you know what I'm saying?
Is it the 7th floor?
Yeah, you should know.
Yeah, it's oh, that bit wet. I don't like that.
What's what? Me?
The button.
Oh, shit. Somebody got fruit in this bitch.
You ready? Nah, bro. What you mean? But yeah, that's the end of this video. I got around 40 to 50 minutes of footage. Oh, the light went off. There we go. I got about 40 to 50 minutes of footage, so hopefully, you know, I'm able to put together 2 or 3 videos around 20 minutes long. That's the hopes anyways. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay safe, and yeah, I already did the quote, so yeah, peace.